Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vimeo for LinkedIn portfolio videos, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Go to the Vimeo website. If you don't have an account, click on the join button. Fill in your details to create a new account. If you already have an account, click on login. Enter your credentials and access your Vimeo dashboard. Now, upload the video you want to add to your LinkedIn portfolio. Click on the New Video button. Select Upload Video and choose the file from your computer. Once the upload is complete, you can edit the video's title and description. Make sure to adjust the privacy settings according to your preference. After you're satisfied with the settings, click Save. Next, copy the link to your video by clicking on the Share button. Select the link and press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on Add Profile section. Choose Featured from the drop-down menu. Select Links to add a new link to your content. In the URL box, paste the link you copied from Vimeo. Click Add to include it in your featured section. Add a title and description if prompted to enhance the visibility of your video. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Your Vimeo video will now be displayed on your LinkedIn portfolio. Check your profile to ensure everything is set up correctly. You're all done. Enjoy showcasing your video work on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.